There is a lot of money in this strategy, guys. This is the amount of money that I've got last week with the help of this strategy. So you can do the same if you just follow the steps, okay? I'm gonna show you the strategy step by step, so make sure that you do it all. Also hit that subscribe button and let's go. To be honest, guys, there's a lot of money on Pinterest.com. And I really mean it, guys, a lot of money is there. Pinterest.com has a lot of traffic, and you can see that they have creator rewards, okay? Now, this will work the same as YouTube, for example, or TikTok, but it's very easy to get started in here, guys, because you can see, guys, that, for example, in order to have your Pinterest business account, you have to meet the following criteria, okay? You have to be 18 years or over, and just take a look at this. You need to have at least 250 followers, and that is really, really simple to do. It is way less than, for example, YouTube, where you have to have 1,000 subscribers and you have to have 4,000 watch hours. This is way easier, and you have to have created at least 3 idea pins in the last 30 days. I'm going to help you with that, and just take a look at this. You also have to have 150 saves of your published pins in the last 30 days. Now, this is going to be a bit trickier than this one over here, and of course, you have to be a legal resident and located in the United States or the District of Columbia. Okay, now that is not a good thing, but I'm gonna show you how you can make money on Pinterest even if you are not coming from the United States. Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can circumvent this, and you can do this from wherever you live in the world. Whether you live in Africa, whether you live in Asia, Australia, I don't know, wherever you want to live, you can get the money, and I'm gonna show you the steps which you have to complete in order to get that money like that. Okay, but first of all, I want to cover this, guys. Just take a look at this. Pinterest.com has a lot of traffic. Just take a look at this. Almost 1 billion total visits per month are gathering here on Pinterest.com, guys. And just take a look at this. It was 1 billion in the month of August, and the majority of those people are coming from the United States, indeed, guys. And that's what we can use to our advantage, okay? This whole traffic we can use on a lot of strategies, okay? There are a lot of strategies in which you can make money, and this traffic can help you. Traffic means money, guys. The more traffic you can get online and whatever you do, you can get the money, okay? Traffic is the most important thing, okay? Now, if you live in the US, you can apply for creator rewards, but not a lot of us are from United States, and we can't link our bank account there if we are not living there, okay? That's what is bad about this. But as I've told you, I'm gonna give you some examples. I'm gonna give you few strategies so you can get the money, okay? You will get those payments, and you don't have to be paid directly via Pinterest, okay? So what we can do is we can use CPAgrip.com. That's a website which stands for cost per action, okay? So whenever someone does a certain action, you get some money for it, okay? That's how it works. Or as well, you can use a website which is called CPAlead.com. There are a lot of offers on this website as well, and there is, of course, this website which is called OfferWalt. Okay, OfferWalt has a lot of offers as well, and what I suggest is that you just go and type in gift card. Okay, gift cards are something which can get you a lot of traffic. So for example, just take a look at this one, Walmart $1,000 gift card. Okay, so whenever someone comes here and enters their email address in the box, you get $2.75. Now that's a lot of money, guys. Just imagine that you get $2.75 for each one of those clicks, okay? Because people do not have to buy anything, okay? Do not have to enter their credit card information. That is very easy. They just have to enter their email address into that box, and that's it. This is the page that they're going to be greeted with, and all they have to do is to enter their email address in this box over here, and that's how they've got a chance to win this card, this gift card of $1,000 in Walmart. Okay, so that's what's on. And Pinterest is gonna make us a lot of money because it has a lot of traffic. Okay, that means that a lot of people are gonna see that pin of yours. So what you can do is you can go to Canva.com, for example, and you know Canva.com, you have probably heard about it before. It's a really good website where you can find a lot of these templates for free. Okay, they have some paid plans, but you don't have to. Just type in giveaway giveaway, for example, and thus click that enter, and you will see that they have a lot of these templates for some giveaways, okay? And you can just go and search for a bit which one of these you want to get, okay? So for example, I don't know, you can choose this one. Just choose one without a crown, because if it has a crown, you have to pay for it, okay? So what you have to do is you just have to change the link on these, okay? And it's gonna be giveaway, okay? So you can make a pin about it. Now, what you have to do on Pinterest.com, you have to, of course, go to your account and then just click on this plus icon, click on pin, and that's it. Now you just have to edit this out. Of course, the most important thing is that you add a destination link in here. So that link is, of course, gonna be this link, this affiliate link. You will just have to click on run offer and you will get that link for yourself, okay? I'm not gonna lead you through it because for each one of those offers, it's a different story. But you can get hang of it. You will get that link of yours and then you can paste it in here. But sometimes those links are forbidden on Pinterest.com. So what you can do is you can simply go on bit.ly.com, okay? You can go on bit.ly.com and you can shorten your link, okay? So for example, it will then look something like this, okay? So it's going to be a link like this, and then you have circumvented their security issues, okay? So you can just paste that link now the way it is. And of course, the title needs to be in here, and you can just copy and paste this title. It is pretty easy. Just copy that, paste that in here, and of course, add that picture. You will simply download this one, and of course, just click on share, click on download over here, and then you can choose in which format do you want it. So PNG or JPG is a good thing. Just paste it in here, and of course, you can add a few hashtags over here, so you can just tell everyone what your pin is about. You can just put hashtag giveaway, for example, hashtag gift card, whatever you want to do, and then of course, Pinterest is going to do the work for you, okay? It is going to do the work for you because that traffic is going to do the work for you, okay? So 1 billion total visits per month, guys. That's a lot of traffic, and that's why this is so easy. And if you combine that with the fact that people do not have to buy anything, okay? They just have to enter their email address. Well, that's a win-win situation, okay? $2.75 for each one of those. Just imagine if you get 100 people to click on it and to enter that address. Well, that's immediately $270 for you, just like that, guys. And you just invested a bit of your time. That's why this is so good. I highly suggest that you use some of these websites, guys. Just involve yourself. Just invest a bit of your time. It'll be worth it. Really, guys. You just have to do it, and the money is gonna roll, okay? Just go, and I'll catch you.